In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Mailerlite API key. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to generate a secure token for your integrations. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Mailerlite. From the results, choose the official Mailerlite website. If you're ever unsure, look for the secure padlock in the address bar and the correct domain spelling to avoid impersonator sites. Once you're on the Mailerlite homepage, click Login. Sign in with your usual credentials and complete any verification prompts your account requires. After you've landed in your dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and navigate to Integrations. This is where Mailerlite connects with other tools and where you'll manage your API access. Inside Integrations, locate the Mailerlite API section and click the Use button. This opens the area where you can manage tokens for different apps and services. Next, click the green Generate New Token button. This starts the process of creating a fresh API key that you can provide to a plugin, website, or third-party service. You'll be asked to add a bit of information. First, enter a descriptive name for the token. Choose something that clearly identifies its purpose, like WordPress integration or Shopify, so you can easily recognize it later. Clear names make it much easier to audit or revoke access without guesswork. You'll also see an option to set IP restrictions. This is a security feature that limits token usage to specific trusted IP addresses. If your integration runs from a server with a static IP, add that here to reduce risk. If your IP changes frequently, or you're unsure, you can leave this blank for now, but remember that IP restrictions are a strong layer of protection when you can use them. Before proceeding, check the box to agree to the terms of use. It's important to acknowledge this so Mailerlite can create the token for you. When everything looks good, click Create Token. Mailerlite will generate your new API token. Treat it like a password. Copy it immediately and store it securely in a password manager or your organization's secure vault. For your privacy and safety, don't share it publicly, and avoid pasting it into documents or chats that aren't protected. If you ever suspect the token has been exposed or you no longer need it, return to this same area to revoke it and create a new one. That's it. You've created a Mailerlite API key ready to power your integration safely and efficiently.